I'm applying a clear nail strengthener as my base. This protects the nails while helping the polish adhere better. Now I'm using two contrasting shades by Essie and P2 volume, and you can choose any shades that you like. So I'm going to apply the yellow shade in the middle two fingers, and then the purple on the index finger and the pinky. Perfectly done. Now the best part is this water decals. These are my absolute favorite because they are super quick to apply, seamless, and look just like real hand drawn art. I'm going to show you how to apply them. So cut a section of your design like as close as possible and drop it into the water for 30 seconds. Now I also like to make it more sparkly, so I'm going to use this glitter metallic hollow nail polish on my index finger as well as my pinky, because the shade is darker, so it will reflect more. So it looks fabulous right here. Now hand drawn flowers are very difficult, and I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, so I really recommend this water decal. So after 30 seconds you wanted to take the piece out and slide it with your fingers, and it will easily slide off, and then place it onto your nail as gently as possible. Now once you place it, it is impossible to move it around, so make sure you place it accordingly, and then gently dab it to remove excess water and air bubbles, and here you're done. Now for a bling, I'm applying a rhinestone, and I apply the nail polish, just a drop of it, so that the rhinestone is easy to stick on it. So gently press it and apply the top coat, and you're all done. So see how easy it is. You can get the nail art done within few minutes, and they look so fabulous. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know in the comment which one you like the better, hand drawn one or the water decals. And for all the products I've used in this video, I have linked in the description box, so if you like to purchase them, do check them out. Thank you for watching until I bring you another nail art. Till then, bye.